Hi, Philo. Guess what? We're almost done. We're almost done with our sounds, okay? So we finished on the letter Y yesterday, but we didn't color code our sound patterns. So let's go see how far we can get with that in this video. Okay, so remember we said the letter Y can make three sounds, can sound like Y for yo-yo, can sound like E, like in the word baby. The letter Y sounds like E for injection in baby, and it can sound like I, like in the word sky. Sky, in the word sky, the letter Y sounds like I for ice cream. So now let's go color code our sound pattern next to the letter Y. Okay, so let's first do Y for yellow. Y for yellow. Y for yellow. And Y for yellow. And Y for yellow yo-yo. Yellow and yo-yo start with the same sound, and that's the Y sound. The next sound is when the letter Y sounds like E for injection. So, E is red. E is red. E, like in baby, is red. E, like in baby, is red. And E, like in baby, is red. And then the letter Y can sound like I, like in the word sky. So let's go color code that. I, like in sky. I, like in sky. I, like in sky. I, like in sky. And I, like in sky. Okay, we already know that we made A for apple. We made it orange. So let's color code A for apple. A for apple. And then let's go do A, like when it has a smiley face. A, that's also orange. So we go A, like in ape with a smiley face. A, like in ape with a smiley face. And that's the last one. And then when it sounds like ah, when it sounds like ah, like in bath, we code it with a cap. So let's code it orange. Ah, like in bath. Ah, like in bath. And that's the last one. Okay, let's go look for the letter X. Where's the letter X? The letter X, the letter X. Okay, so when it sounds like X for X-ray, we made it yellow. So let's go make it yellow. X for X-ray is yellow. And then when it sounds like X, like in box, we made it red. So then X, like in box, is red. And then when it sounds like Z, like in xylophone, we made it green. So then we make it green like a Z for xylophone. Okay, we already remember our colors for A for elephant. We made that pink. And then E for evil, we made that brown. And then what color did we make? Qua for quiet. Qua for quiet, we also made that brown. And K, like the letter cough from the Greek language. K, like the letter cough, We made that blue. And what color did we make K for cat? Purple. K for cat is purple. And what color did we make S for circle? S for circle is green. And then what color did we make G for girl? What color did we make G for girl? G for girl is red and J for giraffe is yellow. So G for girl is red and J for giraffe is yellow. Okay, let's do G for girl is red and J for giraffe is yellow. Okay, what color did we make D for dog? D for dog. I think we made it yellow. Yes, D for dog is yellow. So D for dog is yellow. B for bed is blue. What color did we make R? R for red ring. R for red ring is red. R for red ring is red. And then what color is F for fat? F for fat man is green. So F for fat man is green. H for hug. H for hug is black. I can't find my color black, so I'll just use a black pen. So H for hug is black. And then we know that E for injection is purple. E for injection is purple. And I for ice cream is pink. I for ice cream is pink. J for jug is yellow. J for jug is yellow. J for jug is yellow. K for kite is orange. So K for kite is orange. L for lemon is green. So L for lemon is green. And then we've got K for cat in purple and S for circle in green. And we said that S for snake. S for snake is also green. So we'll do S for snake is green and S for snake is green. We know that S for circle is also green. K for cat is purple. Kwa for quiet is brown. K, like the letter cough, is blue. What color is M? M for moon is orange. M for moon. M for moon is orange. And N for net is purple. N for net is purple. Did we color code everything? Yes, we did. Now let's see if we can read the pattern in 1 minute. So we've got Y for yellow, and we've got E like in baby, and we've got I like in sky. So Y, E, I, A for apple, A like in ape, and R like in bath. So A, R, and then X-ray, box, and xylophone. So X, X, and Z. Okay, let's read that top one again. Y, E, I, A, R, X, X, and Z. Okay, again. Y, E, I, A, R, X, X, and Z.